Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video is going to be two reveals. These items I purchased about a month and a half ago. I've had the opportunity to try them out, wear them on more than a few occasions. I've actually traveled with them. And I am ready to show you what I purchased and also give you my first impressions. So if you're interested in finding out what I got and what I think, just keep on watching. From the title of the video, you already know these are Chanel Espadrilles. I want to give you a quick show of the box they come in. It is the typical shoebox for Chanel. I purchased these at my local Saks Fifth Avenue, and they came with the booklet. They came with two Chanel dust bags, and they were very nicely wrapped in tissue. First reveal, these gorgeous beige and black lambskin Chanel Espadrilles. And as you can see, they definitely have been worn. I put this back in there so they look a little more presentable. But as you can see, I have worn them. Again, these are in the lambskin leather. And I purchased these in my regular size 37. And we'll talk about sizing in a little moment. I think these are beautiful classics and I love the color combination, and I was very excited to pick these up. Here is the information in case you are interested in them. The second pair I picked up are these right here, and these are the denim, and these are in the light pink and black. Again, also have been worn. And I thought this was such a pretty combination. And let me share the information for this particular one. Okay, let's talk about these Chanel Espadrilles. If you've been following me for a while, you have probably heard me say a long time ago, because I haven't talked about these in ages. I have commented in the past that I would never be able to purchase a pair of Chanel Espadrilles. And the reason for it is that in the past, when I've tried them on, one foot has never been able to fit in the shoe. One of my feet would fit perfectly into the size 37, and the other one, I physically would not be able to get my entire foot in it. And if I tried to go up a size to size 38, they would be way too big on me. Therefore, I've never been able to purchase a pair of Espadrilles. And as most of you know, these only come in full sizes, so there are no half sizes. I gave up on trying to own a pair of these a long time ago. It so happened that I went into Saks back again mid-June, was looking around and happened to see these and saw these, and I was, oh, I really love that pink. And I had time on my hands, and I was trying different pairs of shoes on, and I said, you know what, let me try on the Espadrilles. And I told the lady, I've never been able to purchase them. They just don't fit me. And so she brought me out a 37, which is my size, and again, the 38. When I put on the 37, I was shocked and amazed to see that my foot fit into it. I couldn't believe it. So my bigger foot, which I don't remember which one it is, I think it's my left foot, I have to tug it a little bit to get my foot inside, but once my foot is inside, they fit perfectly well. They are not tight. So I was shocked. I couldn't believe it. I am not sure if they have changed the sizing on these or what has happened, but the bottom line is they fit me perfectly. And the same thing happened when I tried these on. And I was so excited that I purchased both of them on the spot. 2.5 weeks later, I traveled out of the country for a family situation, and I took both of these with me. And I used them and no issues. I've loved them. They continue to fit me just fine. They're very, very comfortable. To give you a closer look, here are the lambskin, beige and black ones with the CCs in the front. Again, size 37. Here are the denim ones. And it is all denim, no leather, except the interior. I'm excited that I was finally able to get them and that they actually fit me and that I actually enjoy wearing them. So I did want to come on here, let you know that after like 3 years of trying to buy a pair, I actually was able to fit into them. But I think the most important thing I wanted to point out, and really the reason why I wanted to do the video, is if you have had issues in the past with the Chanel sizing, I would recommend that you go and try on a pair. In my opinion, they've tweaked something, because I tried on multiple espadrilles during various points of time. It wasn't like only one day. Various days at different retailers, and I never was able to get both of my feet into the shoe. So I really wanted to let you know that if you have been wanting to get a pair, I suggest that you go try them on. Not great light, but here are the shoes. Here's the espadrilles. Fit me exact, perfect, no issues, very comfortable. I wanted to share the espadrilles that I picked up and let you know that they finally fit me. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.